Hi, welcome to Crafted Sweetly. I'm Deanna. Thanks so much for being here. In this video, I wanted to introduce to you the latest tool that Suzanne and I came up with for 4-edge photo book art. Now, with the help of her very talented husband, who helped design kind of an idea that I had for this tool, and he was able to bring it to life with some awesome enhancements to it. Instead of going through the video where I'm folding an entire book, I wanted to focus more on the tool itself. Now, Suzanne from Brightside Studio, I'll have a link to her Facebook group and her channel in the description box below. She does a video where the book, you'll see the whole kind of using the tool and then also a finished project. I'm just going to go into more detail on the tool itself. All right, so this is the strip folder. And it's this portion of it. So let me kind of start from the beginning. This is the basic folder, and this works fine, but you can add the base to it, which is kind of the strip folder premium, strip folder pro, where you can have the strip fall into that base. But let me kind of go over the parts and pieces to it. So first we have the blade. And then this is the strip folder itself, which comes in two pieces. So when you place an order, you can have options of the width of the strip. Now, if you're using my photobookart.com program to create your strips, and you use the ink saver version, the width of the strip is 0.75 inches or 19.05 centimeters. And this initial version is for 19.05 millimeters. So it's 19.5 millimeters for the width on this one. If you use other programs or you create your own and you create, certain widths, Suzanne and I will add a poll to our Facebook pages to kind of gauge and figure out what's popular widths everyone uses, and then we'll have additional attachments available. If you purchase the initial one, which is the 19.05, and then you decide you need an additional plate here that you can use for a different strip, a strip that has a different width, then what you basically do is you just remove the screws. You're just going to remove each of these screws and then replace this part. You're going to get a different width one that's going to fit right there. If you need something narrower or if you need something wider, it depends on what you're using. So this part, let me get this one back tight here. Okay. So you can use just this to fold a strip. This is a nice addition to it because the strip will fall in here and kind of slide out, so it's easy to access also. But how does this work? So let me slide this back in here. And then I have some strips that I've cut out to show you how it works. The strip goes down, facing down, and you can add a couple of strips to it at a time if you want. I'm going to do it with just one at the moment here. And then you just take the blade and push the strip through. You want to make sure that this stays in the slot there. But you push this down and you have your strip folded. Right here. And it folded it perfectly right down the middle. And then you can give it one more press if to kind of have it a little tighter. But it doesn't get faster than that. It's pretty awesome. Let me do one more here. Again, put the strip right in the little plate. And then you just use the blade to push it right through. So it's 1 second to get this pushed. You can have the strip down right here. And then just give it another slight press right there. Okay, now if you don't have if you decide you want to get just the folder itself without the premium base, then it works the same way. You're going to have to lift the folder each time to kind of get it from underneath. So, you know, works well too. This is just a nice added feature. And if you're wondering why this is half and half, when I was printing this, I ran out of the white filament and ended up switching to black, so this is my tuxedo version. But I will have white and black available, and these are in the US. Now if you're in Europe, Suzanne will be selling the same thing in Europe. I'll defer to her as far as what colors she will have available, but you would need to contact Suzanne, and if you post in my Facebook group, then you know she's in there and she can reach out about making purchases in Europe. So happy to help you and ship these out in the US. Suzanne will handle them in Europe. And a couple of the latest tool that we had was the adjustable folder, and again the same, not folder, the adjustable scoring guide. And this same thing, I have it available in the US. Suzanne has it available in Europe. And from Suzanne, these are her strip holders. So I know it can get confusing a little here. This is the strip folder and this is the holder. And this is great because you can just cut all your strips and then just store them in this holder, which makes it nice. You know, they're not gonna get scattered anywhere, so it's easy to store them. So I do have these available as well if you're interested in them. But yeah, we were quite excited for this. Now it's gonna make, here, let me do 2 strips. Now this is gonna make it so much easier to get a book done, because you can fold a couple strips at a time. Just press it down right there. And you've got the strips. Now you just have to remember, you know, like which order these were in when you're applying it to the book. But yeah, we're totally loving this tool. I think it's awesome, and it's gonna make things so much easier to finish a book, because you're not gonna spend all this time folding the strips when you could just be applying them and be done with it. And I can't stop playing with this. I'm putting the same strip that I just folded, I'm putting it down just to see it. So love the premium base to it, because you know, you're just doing a quick slide and the strip falls out. So I will have these in my Etsy shop for shipping to the US. Contact either me or Suzanne in the Facebook groups for shipping in Europe. Not available in Australia at the moment, unfortunately. Shipping is a little exorbitant, so just the US and Europe. If you have any questions, please let me know. Comment below. Would be happy to answer any questions. And again, make sure we're going to be posting the poll in the Facebook group to find out what widths you would like to see these plates be available in, because this will fit, these plates will fit just the strips that are created with the ink saver in my photo book art program. So that kind of wraps it up for the tool. It's super easy, super simple to use, makes folding a snap, so you always have the crease right down the middle. If you have any questions, again, comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next project.